Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news for all you action camera enthusiasts out there. DJI has officially announced the release date for its highly anticipated DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Mark your calendars because it's dropping on September 9th, 2024. Now, that's not all. We've got some juicy leaks about what this action camera will bring to the table. If you're looking for a potential GoPro Hero 13 Black competitor, stick around. This might just be the one for you. DJI is known for pushing the boundaries, and the Osmo Action 5 Pro is no different. It's going to feature a brand new 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, which is rumored to offer better low-light performance and crisper video quality. This sensor, paired with a f2.8 aperture and a 155-degree field of view, is perfect for wide cinematic shots, whether you're biking down a trail or surfing the waves. One of the standout features of this camera is its extended battery life. Leaks suggest that you can now get up to 4 hours of recording time, which is a huge jump from previous models. No more cutting your adventures short because your camera is running out of juice. This extended battery life makes the Osmo Action 5 Pro an excellent choice for long trips, hikes, or action-packed days. DJI is also taking audio seriously with the Osmo Action 5 Pro. According to leaks, it will support professional audio recording with a DJI mic connection. While we're not entirely sure how this differs from the previous model, it's likely to improve sound clarity or ease of mic integration, making it ideal for vloggers or content creators who care about crisp, high-quality audio. Leaked packaging also hints at improvements in the autofocus system, promising enhanced precision in subject tracking. Whether you're filming fast-paced sports or capturing a family moment, this upgraded autofocus should help keep your subjects in focus at all times. Hopefully, DJI has also shortened the minimum focus distance, which was a minor issue with the previous model. As mentioned earlier, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is officially releasing on September 9th, 2024, and the price is rumored to be in the same range as the DJI Osmo Action 4, which was around $399. However, with the Pro label, we might see a slightly higher price tag, but nothing too far off from what action camera fans are used to. So, should you be excited about the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro? Absolutely! With its upgraded sensor, longer battery life, enhanced audio, and improved autofocus, this camera is shaping up to be a solid competitor in the action camera market. If you're someone who loves documenting your outdoor adventures, extreme sports, or vlogging on the go, the Osmo Action 5 Pro could be your new go-to. That's it for today's breakdown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments below. Are you going for the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro on release day? See you in the next video.